My renovation experience was great. Said no one ever. Yet, there are nearly 500,000 units being renovated every single year, creating a $40 billion market in MENA. And what if I told you that half of them will either run over time, over budget, or even worse, never get completed? Unfortunately, this is the reality. Picture this. You're coordinating hundreds of activities while managing so many people. You're struggling to meet your deadline, and now you're drowning in invoices and cash payments. You're halfway through your project, but poof, your life savings is gone. Dream experience? More like a nightmare, until now. Introducing Reno, a one-stop app for a hassle-free home renovation. Plan your renovation. Get your interior design, access vetted contractors, and manage your progress in real time. We've got the entire renovation process covered. But that's not all. With our financing options, Reno enables more people to make their house a home. With us, you can start your project immediately and pay over 12 months. This is especially important for a growing middle class and expat population in the region who can afford to buy a home but not renovate it immediately. So no wonder renovators love us. In just 3 months, we've launched our MVP, partnered with Keeper, secured 150 projects, and a $4 million pipeline. I'm Marc Michel, and I have spent the last decade as an ex-McKinsey consultant building and scaling digital banks across the region. Amr is one of Dubai's top real estate sales brokers. Farah is a second-time founder with a successful exit. And Asif has led 2 of India's largest fintechs engineering teams. And together, we're making dream homes a reality.